Can't keep looking at the same clothes every time. We're building a business over here, no? Not doing time pass every time meeting and same thing we're looking at. This is the full reject. The notion that this color and this color is the same, it is not. This colors and this will just be one. We can't use another color out of there. So the key to doing good business and to understanding business is getting your hands dirty, and that's exactly what we're doing today. We've come to a market where they sell a lot of textiles, and these are where the manufacturers sell to the wholesalers and stuff like that. A market like this is where you can really go and deal with the wholesalers. They give you a better understanding of the fabrics, the textiles, and it's one of the first times I'm ever doing this. I love getting my hands dirty. I love getting into the trenches and feeling the materials, talking to wholesalers, understanding the entire process. The market is beautiful. I think growing up, I loved going to factories, seeing things being manufactured, seeing the places where they sell them, just seeing business at its most fundamental building blocks. That was the most exciting thing for me. I mean, Miramar is coming to life through these processes, and I think even the team is enjoying being over here. I didn't even know this place existed in Bombay. I've lived in Bombay my entire life and I didn't know this place existed. And doing business in Bombay means coming to places like this. And I'm just getting to see new sides of my city. I'm getting to see the entire vertical of my business. So let's keep checking this place out. Hopefully we find some beautiful fabrics and we can make some beautiful clothes out of what we find today. And a huge shout out to Riddhi. She's a part of our team. You guys have seen her on the vlog, and she brought us here. She has some family owned business over here, so we managed to get a hookup right into the heart of the scene over here, because it's quite confusing if you just randomly come up and show up over here and you don't have like a connection to the place. It can be pretty overwhelming. I think overall we're having a great time. This is what true business looks like. This is what getting your hands dirty looks like. Hope you guys are enjoying this.
Lycra satin.
These are with 58 width and 44.
Okay.
Two
Whichever
widths you,
we need, yeah.
For you right now I can give you what quantity you want.
Okay.
In ethnic, what they do, the base quality is polylinen because price comes down. Same fabric. This is again a little bit sheen on it, which has been done.
So this is what we are looking.
In that, it is the finest form of polyester, which is spun. In Japanese fabrics and Thailand, you will get all fabrics in this spun fabrics. See, a Thailand fabrics,
Oh, wow.
300 rupees,
But this is what, blend or this is natural?
pure spun. इसमें आपको पतला चाहिए, then I can get you in Lucky Tex Thailand. The same concept. Whereas देखो अभी ये आपका 700 जा रहा है तो ये 400 हो रहा है.
See this fabric.
It is the same, but this is Japanese
Japanese,
company.
this is
Much
Thailand.
different. How
Different?
can you say it's the same?
I don't know, I'm
Touch
asking.
it.
I'm asking, is it
Yeah.
the same?
No, this feels rough and natural.
Touch it.
No, this is so much softer.
A lot of youngsters are getting into D2C because the barrier to getting into business nowadays is much, much lower. But I think the biggest problem right now with D2C is that people aren't really connecting with where their products are made. They're just randomly picking up the phone, calling a contract manufacturer and getting products made, fully disconnected from the back end. So I really encourage people who want to get into consumer brands or any sort of product-based business, go to the markets like these, go to factories, touch, feel raw materials, see how things are made. It's a lot of fun. Like, see how busy this place is. People don't give a shit if you're filming. They have places to be. This is Bombay, and you really feel the pulse of the city and the market by coming to the place. So yeah, go and touch and feel your product, see how it's made, see the raw material, and just enjoy the process of making something that people will eventually love. Thank you, Riddhi. That was a very constructive evening, I feel.
Yeah, it was really nice. Got to see really. This is the kind of fabric we wanted to see.
Yeah. But now start your experimentation, get your production in order.
Yeah, so he's
because
giving me the fabrics
every day
in a
is
week's
very
time.
expensive for me.
Week's time he gives me the fabric. We start. In the meantime, we design some whatever we want, some more of the pieces. Now you know the fabrics in hand, right?
But all in all, a good day, constructive day, and hope you guys are enjoying a behind the scenes look at how we're bringing Miramar to life. There's a lot more that we have to show you. This is production side. We'll show you marketing, sales, customer service, everything. Right from how we make the product to how we package it. Everything so that you guys can create your own brands one day. ये दिस इज क्रंचिंग हाँ जो आपका बॉटम है इसका
हाँ वो मटेरियल है ना
हाँ
बहुत वेवी है उसको सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा इसके लिए पर्टिकुलर अलग कटिंग करनी होगी
क्योंकि इसको ये ऐसा आ रहा है ना
जी
दिस बट समथिंग विल हैव टू बी डन दिस इज द प्रॉब्लम
कर लेंगे
क्योंकि इट आल्सो रिमूव्स
नहीं वो अच्छा लग ही नहीं रहा एक्चुअली
या
ये शेप क्या करोगे आप?
हाँ मैं उसका मैं लिख रहा हूँ और मैं फोटो ले लेता हूँ एक सेकंड ना मैं सही कर दूंगा
there's an issue here with how the bottoms are coming on.
So this is happening for you because your chest is really broad, na?
Mom, every shirt has to fit the same way regardless. It can't be, oh, you have a broader chest, so then
normal
this will
जैसे
be short and this
other-
will be long.
प्लीज़ ये पहन लीजिए
How's the embroidery and the design of the shirt?
Embroidery is very nice. This can go with this if you want. If you don't want, we can make a different thing
It
for
can't
it.
go with that.
If you want a lighter color for this.
I'll wear it and then you'll see what I'm saying. You'll visually will represent it.
But you're wearing that, so try the blue first, no? Or you tried that?
Oh yeah, I have to try the blue first.
Then last time you were going to show some like samples.
आपको दिखाए थे फोटो
You showed us the photos in it. I said you said you'll make some samples, no? Wear it. Let's see. Where's the-
This
I
is not a
was
readied
wondering
outfit in
what
any ways.
happened to this.
The beads also need to highlight them. This is like a sparkly.
Then we can't use these beads. Then we have to do something
Last
else.
time we had an entire meeting.
No, what I mean
regarding
is we
just
can't
this.
use bead work then.
I can't keep looking at the same clothes every time. We're building a business over here, no? Not doing time pass every time meeting and same thing we're looking at. We're gonna do a photo shoot and everything. You need to have that much ready, na, at the time of the shoot. Otherwise, pay a photo shoot आपका 5 लाख के नीचे नहीं होने वाला है. 10 outfit के साथ what photo shoot will I do? Art director लेके आओगे, makeup artist. This is the full reject. Top to bottom. We can't use another color out of there. Mom, you can't do so much variation कि the mishmash हो रहा है in the end.
No, it's not.
The notion that this color and this color is the
Yeah,
same,
it's
it is
not.
not. So we just had another Miramar production meeting, and unfortunately this one did not go as well as I hoped. We trialed out about 4 or 5 different outfits, and I was really looking forward to seeing a lot of the pieces in person. The fabrics, the colors, the embroidery, how it all kind of meshes together, that's really important. And since I don't come from a fashion background, I need to see the final pieces to really understand how the design's gonna come through. You can see prints being made, embroidery being made on like a digital sheet, but you don't know how that translates, to be very honest. So today was a reality check. A lot of the colors didn't mesh, a lot of the embroidery didn't sit right, so we're gonna have to do a lot of iteration from here onwards as well. I consider this meeting a bit of a setback. Let's see how we come back and how we come back stronger from here. That's the main thing. Regardless, we're powering through. A business has many sides to it. I think the marketing side is where I am currently focusing a lot, and that's why I've neglected the production side of things. I'm gonna fix all of this in the upcoming couple of weeks, and we're gonna get this show back on the road. I hope you guys are enjoying the content. I hope you like the adventures at the market before this. I hope you like how the ups and downs of building a brand and building a business, a D2C business in India is. Some of this stuff might be familiar to you, some of it might be new, and I just hope that sharing this has some purpose for you guys. Please do like, share, follow, subscribe, hit the bell icon if this is helpful to you, and stay tuned with this journey. There's a lot more to come. It's going to be exciting. I hope I can really build a beautiful brand that you guys all buy from and enjoy the products and have amazing memories with. Until next time, we will catch you guys later.